Going on, guys? Welcome back to another great day. Well, today we're continuing the build on the Toyota Tundra, and today we're going to be upgrading to these LED headlamps from LED Factory. Now, in the last video, we went ahead and upgraded the factory halogen bulbs with these LED ones from Oxito, and it made a tremendous upgrade. These claim 800% brighter than the factory ones, and you know what? I definitely believe that because these were super bright. I'll show you guys in the video here examples of the last video. If you guys want to go watch the install on that one, I'm telling you, these actually did a really great job. But I'm wondering, is it worth upgrading to some LED headlights? Or can you get by just upgrading to some nice LED bulbs? Well, today we're going to find out. We're going to install these headlamps from LED Factory, and these are some really nice ones. LED high beams, LED low beams, sequential, amber turn signals, and the white daytime running light feature here. So these are going to be really nice. Upgrade aesthetically a lot nicer than the factory ones, but will they perform better than upgrading these to just a regular bulb? We'll see today. All right, guys, we got one light out of the box, and already these things look amazing just sitting here out of the box. I can't wait to put these on the truck. I love the blacked out finish on the back of the lens here. Definitely makes it look more modern. Now, the light does come with two harnesses. So one harness is going to be for your lower trim model, which this is like the SR or SR5. If you have that model truck, then you'll use one of these harnesses, and the other harness will be for the higher trim models, which basically are the ones that have the daytime running lamps or the LED lamps. You'll use this harness. Either harness, whichever one you use, we will have to use this resistor to plug into the harness. Yeah, let's go ahead and get the truck torn apart and take off the grille and all the rest of those components to get that old headlight out and put the new one in and see how these look. All right, so we're gonna need to pop off these clips here, and then there's 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, and pull this clip off. And then we should grab the front of the grille and pull it forward. Also, before you pull the grille off, this little window here is for a reason. Pull this off, and that gives you access to undo the connector for the front sensor here. So it's basically pretty smart for Toyota to do that. It's there for a reason. It's for Alright, guys, with the grille out of the way, we just need to remove this clip here, and there's going to be 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter there. I'm going to grab this panel here, grab it from here, grab it from the front, and just simply pull it off. Put that off to the side for now. Time to remove the 310s, two on top, one on the side. Simply unplug our connectors. All right, guys, time to plug in our headlight. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I plug mine in. Now, I do have the SR5, so I use the SR5 harness, which the SR5 harness has one less connector than the high model. The high model has 6 connectors. So the factory connector here goes in the corner. Factory connector here, 3-pin, goes to the short end of the harness. You gotta be careful because there is a green one with the same colored wire, same style connector. It will plug in to the same connector, but the short one connects to the actual harness, factory harness, and then the long one plugs into the factory harness on the corner. Okay, that's for the turn signal. And then the brown one here connects to this one, and then the factory motor one connects to the motor on the back of the headlamp. And then obviously the headlamp connector connects to there. Make that connection, and then we should have, this one is basically the resistor. The red and black one plugs into this resistor here, and that should be all our connections. And we are simply going to just lay it here. We're going to check to see everything works before we tighten everything up and bolt it all back together. Wow. All right, great. Everything works. Let's go ahead and button everything up. Yeah, we got a beautiful sunset going down here, but it makes it even look better is there these super nice headlights that we installed in this truck. These headlights, I'm telling you, are freaking amazing. I love the way these things turned out and the way they look on this truck. You know, the sequential turn signal is really nice touch. Even when you lock it and unlock it, and just looking at the sequential turn signal turn on and off is really nice to see. But I really love the blacked out lens in the back of the housing. Just look how clean that looks. Man, these are some really nice headlights. But if you're in the market for some headlights, I'm gonna put a coupon code down below that'll save you guys 15%. So if you're in the market and thinking about picking some up, don't hesitate. These will definitely make your truck look a lot nicer. I'm pretty sure these will also fit for the Sequoia. I'm not sure. Quote me if I'm wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure they have the same headlights. These are a simple mod that you can install in less than 15 minutes and definitely upgrade the look of your truck or SUV. Like I said, if you guys have any questions about today's video or any comments, please put them down in the comments down below. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. There's definitely a lot more stuff that we gotta do to this truck. So please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.